How to mark all emails as read in Gmail. If your Gmail inbox is filled with unread emails and you want to quickly clean it up, here's how to mark them all as read. First, open Gmail on your desktop and in the search bar at the top, type this one and press enter. This will show every unread message in your account. Then, click the checkbox at the top left to select all emails on the current page. But don't stop there. You'll see a message appear that says select all conversations that match this search. Click that to select every unread email in your inbox, even beyond just the first page. Now, click the three dots more icon in the top toolbar and choose Mark as Read. Gmail will process it, and in a few seconds, all your unread emails will be marked as read. It's a super helpful trick when you're overwhelmed by thousands of old messages but want a fresh, notification free inbox. So that's it.